Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to write about y equals to ln x. The graph should be like this. Next, s equal to e to the power of 2, that should be in here. This one we already know that when s equals to number 1, y equal to number 0. So this one that's about number 1. This one we have e to the power of 2. So we have the area in here. And we know that this area rotated about s-axis. Now we need to find the volume of this one. So we can use about washer method. So we have the volume equals to b, and we have the integration from a to b, and we have the function to the power of 2. We see that this is about positive area, so we don't need to use the negative sign in here. A, that's it from number 1. B, that's about e to the power of 2. This one, that is about this one. Now, I will show you the technique how to find the integration of ln x to the power of 2. So we just concentrate this one only. So we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to ln x to the power of 2. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have 2 ln x over x ds dv equals to ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to s. So we have u multiplied by v. So we have s ln x to the power of 2 minus the integration. We have the u multiplied by v. So we have s and s we simplify. Next, we continue using about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to 2 ln x. So we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have ds over s with number 2 in here. dv, we have ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to s. So for this one, we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. S and s we simplify. And now we have the final answer. And now we put this one, go back in here. We put the absolute value for ln in here. Now we put this one cone here. Number 1 cone here. And we have the final answer. So we have number 2, e to the power of 2 minus 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.